Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, now with a sleek new design, advanced health tracking, and even a first-ever antioxidant index sensor that measures skin carotenoids in just 5 seconds. In this video, we're unboxing the Watch 8, exploring its standout features, and giving you our first impressions of Samsung's smartest wearable yet. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. What I have here is Samsung's latest innovation in wearable tech, the brand new Galaxy Watch 8. Let's dive into a quick unboxing experience. First, we peel off the seal and lift the lid, and there it is, the Galaxy Watch 8, sitting front and center. Samsung has gone with a sleek, lug-free design, giving the watch a more streamlined and modern look. Despite its premium build, it still feels incredibly lightweight. Beneath the main compartment, you'll find the watch strap neatly packed. The strap included is impressively soft and skin-friendly, designed for all-day comfort. Attaching it is simple. Just align it with the groove on the watch and snap it into place. Need to remove it? Just press and hold the quick release button and it slides right off. Also included is the watch's black magnetic charger, which not only looks sleek but feels premium to the touch. Charging is effortless. Just place the watch onto the charger and the magnets take care of the rest. The auto alignment feature makes the process smooth and hassle-free. Lastly, Samsung includes a matching black power adapter in the box, a thoughtful addition that rounds out the package. To power on the Galaxy Watch 8, simply press and hold the side button. On first boot, you'll need to wait a few moments and complete the initial setup process. Once you're in, you'll find the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 packed with features. Swipe left or right to explore different home screens, each offering useful widgets and glanceable info. A quick swipe up from the bottom reveals your full app list, making navigation seamless. Samsung Health continues to impress with its all-in-one wellness tracking. It not only records your workout data, but also provides insights on your sleep patterns, blood pressure, and ECG readings, offering a truly comprehensive health experience. All popular workout types are supported, from running to yoga and beyond. The watch lets you track these activities in real time, right from your wrist. And thanks to the built-in running coach, you can make your training sessions smarter and more goal-driven. Want to personalize your look? Just long press the screen to change the watch face. Samsung provides a wide variety of stylish and functional options to match your mood or the occasion, a truly user-centric experience. Alongside the Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung has also unveiled 2 additional models, the Watch 8 Classic and the Watch 8 Ultra. The Classic stands out with its rotating bezel, physical buttons, and a crown, blending timeless design with smart functionality. The Ultra, on the other hand, builds on the rugged design of its predecessor, now with enhanced capabilities tailored for sports and outdoor enthusiasts. With 3 distinct styles this year, there's something for everyone. So which model suits your lifestyle best? So besides the Galaxy Watch 8, which smartwatch are you most excited about? The Galaxy Watch 8 series also introduces a brand new feature, skin carotenoid level monitoring. This innovative function provides users with an antioxidant index, offering deeper insights into overall wellness. The process is quick and simple. Just place your finger on the sensor, and within 5 seconds, the watch generates your data. Samsung has also expanded its strap collection across all 3 models in the series. Fitness enthusiasts in particular will appreciate the sport-focused designs and materials tailored for active lifestyles. With this launch, Samsung continues to push boundaries with its latest addition to the Galaxy Watch lineup. And that wraps up our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, from its sleek design and customizable straps to cutting-edge health features like the new antioxidant index sensor. If you're into fitness or just love smart wearables, this one's definitely worth checking out. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next one.